What's the problem this time?
By the second half of a trip, my neck and shoulders feel so heavy. I'm only walking, but my upper body feels exhausted.
That happens to so many people. It's not just your imagination. To put it simply, your head and shoulders shift forward. During a trip, you're always checking maps, taking photos, and carrying bags. These habits pull your head forward. Actually, your head is as heavy as a bowling ball. Since your neck and shoulders have to support that weight, they get exhausted first even if you're just walking. Let's do a quick 1-minute check. First, the wall check. 1. Stand with your back against a wall. 2. Does the back of your head touch the wall easily? 3. If it's hard to touch, a forward head posture has become a habit. Next, the arm check. Can you easily clasp your hands behind your back? If it's a struggle, your shoulders are constantly working. If you failed either of these, it's a sign that your neck and shoulders are begging for a break.
So, what should you do?
You don't need to fix your neck or shoulders directly. Just focus on these. 1. The arm dangle reset. Just let your arms hang loosely. Relax and let them dangle. This tells your shoulders, you can relax now. 2. The gaze reset. Next, just shift your gaze a bit further into the distance. No need to tuck your chin or force your posture. Just by looking further away, your head naturally returns to a better position. While traveling, just remember, relax your shoulders and reset with your eyes. That alone can reduce neck and shoulder fatigue.
I love that I don't have to overthink it. I'll try it every time I take a break.
Give it a try yourself.
お悩み解決大成功